Okay, this one's the cardinal. I love the green and white combination of this one here. Alright, you can kind of see that's a little bit different there. Neat. Nice. Oh, the seats are kind of like in a car. Very nicely finished. Very nice. A Skyhawk 2. Okay, look at that. It's nice when you can turn around and get right inside like that. And see it. This is at the air show. Pittsfield, Maine. Really kind of cool today. Beautiful day. Oh, look at the brown of this one. Ooh, this is nice. Huh. Nice brown and white combination here. Whew. Really nice. Look at that. Nicely designed inside. Finished nicely. Very nice. Like that. Okay, and here we have another one. Oh, this one's for sale. So, let me see here. Oh, so many gears. I would think it'd be hard to turn around and learn all the gears and how everything runs on a plane. Don't you think? Ooh. Oh, I didn't see that little red one. There you go. Got so many coming in all the time. Yeah, that one's for sale. Okay, and this was a Piper, if you saw it, coming down the line before. When it was running, I got to show it to you. See, they keep a record on everywhere they've been. Look at that. Really blue one here. Looking to see if there was another plane coming down, but there's not. Look at this one. Whew. Tell this one's an old one, huh? Look at that. Nice. All right. Really super old one. All right. So I hope you've enjoyed this batch.